School subjects go beyond math, reading, and science. Additional subjects include art, music, physical education, foreign language, and computer science. These subjects develop creativity, physical health, and technical skills for well-rounded learning. Art encourages creativity through drawing, painting, and sculpture. It helps students express emotions visually and develop imagination. Music teaches melody, rhythm, and playing instruments. It improves listening skills and emotional understanding. Physical education, also called PE, promotes fitness through sports and exercise. It builds teamwork and healthy habits. Foreign language teaches communication in another culture. Computer science introduces programming and problem-solving with technology. Additional subjects create well-rounded skills beyond basic academics. They develop creativity through art and music. They build physical health and teamwork through physical education. They expand global understanding through foreign languages and technical skills through computer science. Art stimulates imagination and visual thinking skills. Music enhances listening and emotional expression abilities. Physical education strengthens body coordination and fitness. Foreign language expands worldwide communication opportunities. Computer science builds logical thinking and technology proficiency. Here are the 5 key vocabulary words. Art refers to creative visual expression. Music involves melody and rhythm. Physical education means sports and fitness training. Foreign language means learning a second language. Computer science teaches programming and technology skills. Art develops creativity and artistic abilities. Music builds musical talent and rhythm sense. Physical education creates fitness and teamwork skills. Foreign language improves language fluency and cultural awareness. Computer science teaches logical thinking and technical knowledge. Practice naming the 5 additional subjects. Creative expression connects to art. Musical rhythm connects to music. Physical fitness connects to physical education, or PE learning new languages connects to foreign language. Computer programming connects to computer science.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.